This seagull just got a fish. So they got breakfast this morning, so you got a live fish there. So what happens is a seagull will get a fish out of the ocean, and then they'll bring them on shore, and then they'll peck them to death. And once they peck them to death, they'll eat them. So I believe in a plant-based diet, but I know some of my vegans and vegetarians, even though I agree with you, to be kind to animals, just remember that animals kill animals. That's how they survive. You know, that's a live fish that just got swallowed by another animal. That's it. He's done. So that's breakfast as a seagull, and that's life. What I've seen on the road, you know, I used to think like animals are so kind and loving, but birds will peck at each other, dogs will fight each other, animals eat animals. And so I just find that interesting that, you know, I don't know, and it's just, and their digestive system is able to handle it, I guess. And the acid in their stomach or whatever they have just breaks that fish down, and eventually they'll poop it out on your windshield. But either way, I figured I'd just, he's flying away, he's full. I figured I'd just show you morning time here on the ocean and what breakfast seagulls eat. And that's life in the wild. Survival of the fittest here on the open shores of the Atlantic Ocean as seagulls pluck out live fish and eat them for breakfast. So that's it, guys. Click a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one as we push forward on this nomadic free life journey. There's the sun rising. I know this may blind the camera, but that's the sun rising out of the east. All right, guys. Peace and love. See you in the next one.